Welcome to Finish Line. India is known for its participation in sports, and we have a golden history of our athletes winning and participating various games and sports. And there is something for us to be more proud of. They are the athletes who represented our country in the Para-Olympic athletes. As we all know, Para-Olympic sports are sports for physically disabled people. And today we will be meeting 4 enthusiastic and energetic Para-Olympic athletes. Mr. Raghavendra, Ms. Shahina, Ms. Ammu and Mr. Sandesh. Mr. Raghavendra and Ms. Shahina will be representing India in the upcoming Asian Games. Welcome sir, welcome ma'am, Finish Line. So, when did you all begin your career in sports?
Yeah, I started my sports career in 2007.
Okay.
Almost 7 years completed.
Oh,
and I want
nice.
to continue as long as my energy is there.
Okay, what about you sir?
I started my sports career in 2008
Okay.
bodybuilding. After 2013, I came to para athletics.
Okay. You ma'am?
I just started 2 years back
Oh, okay.
with long tennis.
Okay.
It was a really challenging game which has inspired me in sports. So I'm just continuing with long tennis as well as discus throw of para athletic.
Oh wow, that's nice. Okay, so there must be something which has inspired all of you to be in sports, right? So, what was that? What was the factor which inspired you?
I want to mention one of my friend Mamta.
Okay.
Because of her only I am in the sports field.
Okay.
In 2007 she introduced, because before that I have no idea what is a para athletic also. So she introduced regarding the sports. So from that time I have inspired from her, and apart from her, like Ramesh Tikaram sir, Hari,
Okay.
they are all Girish, they are all I have inspired from them.
Okay.
Because I also want to become like them and this time Arjun Awards.
That's great.
See, actually I was not at all interested in sports.
Oh, really?
Okay. Once I just came as a social service type, I just came to see how these guys are playing. Okay. Then I felt it was really challenging. When I sat in the wheelchair, I was feeling little uncomfortable. Later, I felt very good and really challenging the game compared to the other guys, normal guys. This is really playing with a wheelchair tennis is really challenging, I can tell.
I inspired from H.N. Girish Gowda. He is a silver medalist in 2010 Paralympics. So that's why I impressed him. So that's why I came to para athletics.
He is from Karnataka, right?
He is from Karnataka, Assam district.
Okay.
So he won the medal, silver medal in London Paralympics. Afterwards, I impressed and I came to achieve like that guy. So I came to para athletics.
So, how long all of you practice a day?
Daily morning we'll do free exercise, and one day we'll throwings, one day we'll do gym.
Okay. You practice like morning and evening?
Morning we will do gym, free exercise. Evening we will throw.
Okay.
So it's alternative days, like every day I do gym and weekdays I come here and do the practice. When there is a tournament or something, we'll go for a regular practice.
Okay.
Because I'm into corporate world, so that is the problem to come and do a practice.
Okay.
Actually morning I like around 6 to 7, like 6 to 6:30 I do yoga.
Oh.
And 6:30 to 7 I do all stretching exercise. Then I'll go to work. Evening 4:30 we'll do short put. Alternate days we'll do gym.
Oh.
This is my daily work.
So, anyways, you have mentioned that you're in the corporate world.
Yes.
So, what else you do other than sports? Are you all working?
Yeah, I work for Thomson Reuters
Oh, wow.
from past 4 years.
Okay.
So it's really it's one of the financial company,
Okay.
corporate world, where they encourage for our guys.
Okay.
They help in all sports activities as well.
Okay.
So it's a very good company, I can tell.
What about you, sir?
I'm working in drugs control department.
Okay.
That is state government. From past 12 years, I'm working truck scooter.
12 years. Oh, wow.
I joined at 18 years. I old 18 years. At that time, I joined to all the parties.
You practice alternate days and you like do at least there's something, at least gymming and yoga is there every day. So how does it really help you in your daily activities?
I feel healthy.
Healthy?
Yes. How about yours?
It will do very fitness to our body.
Okay.
Do daily exercises.
I want to say that in office we're working as like mentally we'll be busy with our work. So in the sports field we come, we do physically exercise, and in that way we are fit in the physically fitness. So I think physically fitness also is required in a sports activities.
So for physical fitness, do you follow any particular diet or like do you eat the normal food? How is that?
We'll not eat any oil items,
Okay.
masala items.
I concentrate on vegetables.
Vegetables?
Yes.
What about you, ma'am?
Me, veg and non-veg, from oil, far from oil, and healthy food.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, that's nice. So, all of you being very energetic sports persons and both of you are going to represent the Asian Games also. What are your dreams for a Bangalore city and a nation?
Ma'am, my main dream is I have to achieve in Asian Games 2014.
Okay.
In October, we are participating, representing from India to Asian Games. And I have to achieve in that Asian Games. My main dream is I have to get gold medal to India. And after upcoming World Championship is there in 2015. And the main target is, event is Paralympic for us in 2016.
Okay.
So I have to achieve in that Paralympics.
My dream for my Bangalore city and for my nation is to get a medal for my Asian Games, not only for Asian Games, upcoming international and national. Thank you very much.
Ammu ma'am.
As I started 2 years back, now my intention is national. I'm targeting on national. I am trying my best level to do something in athletic.
So I've spent a nice time with you all. Thank you so much. Before we wind up, do you have any message for the youngsters? As we have like so many youngsters and so many want to come forward to sports, but then some are not coming, some are not aware of it. So do you have any message for the youngsters?
Yes, madam, I have to achieve in Asian Games and I want to be a role model to upcoming youths for sports.
Okay. Ammu ma'am.
I just want to be an idol where they can see many guys, they have a fear and they have lot of bad things about the sports. Once they come to know about that, about us, even they will have a courage to enter into sports. And one of my friend who was in Thomson Reuters, she was not aware of any sports.
Okay.
I have told about the sports and now she is being encouraged and she is ready to come and work on this. I am happy for that.
I want to give a just small message
Yeah.
that a lot of youngsters are not coming to sports field.
Yeah.
Not only a normal or a physically challenged, everybody is they're avoiding the sports things. So I think not only for sports, at least for their physical fitness, they should come in the sports. That is my small message.
So thank you so much for spending this time with us. We had a very nice time and wish you all the success in your career.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I am Sandesh BG, coming from Chikmagalur district, Koppa Taluk. Now I am staying in Bangalore. I am a BCom and MBA graduate. I am an international Paralympic sports person. I am participated in 3 international medal, 3 international tournament and 3 hat-trick medal. When I am joined in degree, I started in bodybuilding competition. After that, I came to Bangalore. I start in athletics. I am a discus throw and shot put player. My main event. I got national and international and totally I 27 medal. And government of Karnataka honored state award also, and in BBMP and government honored Nada Prabhu Kempegowda Award. Now I am working in Thomson Reuters company. Up to PUC, I didn't know about disable game. After I reached in degree, one day my gym coach came to Sandesh, you are good fitness, you come and practice in gym. In district level bodybuilding competition is going on in Shimoga. You please prepare. I practiced in 6 months. I got first time in bronze medal in bodybuilding competition. I continue that way. After 3 years I well practiced, I got Mr. Karnataka in bodybuilding. After that I will come to Bangalore in studying in MBA. That time I break 1 year, I break up the sports and I studied MBA. After that I started in athletic career in shot put and discus throw. I played in well in first I medal in Chennai 2006. I got bronze medal. After that I got in Karnataka 2007 8 in the national Paralympic game. I got gold medal and shot put and discus throw. After my journey is going on good, well. 2010 I went to Dubai, Dubai. I got internationally bronze medal first time. I am very happy that time. After that well practice in 2011 also I went Sharjah, I got silver medal. And 2012 I went to Alliance City, I got silver medal again. And I finished several marathon, wheelchair racer also. I Tata Consultancy Service wheelchair marathon and 10 were Sunfish to World 10K and BSNL World 10K and 4 international marathon I finished, first of finisher. And it's my family and my friends and Paralympic Committee of India is well supported me too in sports. My friends in all physically challenged, I telling one message to all physically challenged my friends, please come out of the home, do something better, whatever your talent you exhibit that one, and don't sit in idle in a room or home. It's not use. You have capable, you have talent, you have knowledge, everything exhibit in the world or society. You contribute something for society or India.
They are not ashamed of their condition, but rather they inspire each and every one of us to be energetic and enthusiastic like them. And there are so many such people. What we do neglect them. And they don't need sympathy. What they need is support. And that's what we can give them. So it's time for us to wind up the show. Thank you for watching.